So today I'm going to make a WAP prediction, a wild bleep prediction, because I think we're seeing something very significant now in the financial markets, and it's going to directly relate to buying and selling homes as we get into 2024. We got a brand new jobs report last week. Jobs were half as robust. The creation of new jobs were half as robust as we thought they were going to be. Well, why is that a good thing, Greg? Because it means that the Federal Reserve's monetary policy of making money more expensive may, in fact, begin to slow. And, in fact, last week when those numbers came out, the 10-year T-bill that affects monetary policy, that fell by most of a half a point, lowest rate in 16 weeks. Home mortgage rates for the best borrowers went down almost a half a point in some cases. I think it's the beginning of the end. Now, this process of rates easing back is not going to be smooth. It's not going to be consistent. It's not going to be pretty. We may be 2 steps forward and 1 step back. But I think by the time we get into the end of the first quarter, early second quarter of 24, we're going to see that this was the beginning of rates coming back. Now, next year, of course, the presidential election, and we all know that, of course, presidential elections have nothing to do with monetary policy. Wink, wink. Parties in power generally want financial policy to be as advantageous to the consumer as it possibly can be during those times. So I absolutely think all the factors are going to be working in the favor of mortgage rates coming down. Now, listen. There's no houses to buy, people, which means we're going to have buyers coming off the sideline in droves, and we're going to have people bidding on houses again, if, in fact, all of this comes to pass. You better be ready. But the opportunity is going to be there. Get your house in order. Get your act ready, because as we start 2024, I sense, if this trend continues, that we're going to have an incredibly intense start to the housing market in 2024.